In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to fix Instagram if it keeps logging you out. Make sure to watch till the very end so that you know exactly how. If you continue to get annoyed with Instagram logging you out every time you open the app, all you have to do is click the three lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings and then scroll down and click on Help. You're going to click on Report a Problem and report it without shaking. Then, all you're going to have to do is explain the problem that you're experiencing. For example, my account and your username, make sure to include your username, continues to get logged out. Please fix this issue so I do not have to log in every time. Make sure to send that problem to Instagram and you should get it fixed within 1 to 3 business days. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to stay tuned for the next tutorials we're going to post.